You may or may not be aware that dogs do not generally have access to bank vaults. We are forced to protect our bones, toys, and the occasional shoe of human number two through somewhat less sophisticated means, which generally involves digging a hole, depositing said item into said hole, covering it back up, and then digging said item up when needed. Yep, that's what I said. Deviation in the order of these steps is generally frowned upon. Because us dogs spend so much time thinking about investing, we do not always remember where we bury these items or even that we had them in the first place. Here's a little story for you. There I was with my favorite chew toy, and I noticed the cat eyeing it with its beady little eyes. Don't they ever blink? And is it just me, or are most cats cross-eyed? Anyway, I knew I had to protect the toy, and so naturally I buried it. Now this one I happened to remember, so sometime later I went back to dig it up again. Imagine my surprise when I discovered a tree in its place. Using the uncanny deductive reasoning only a dog's superior brain can muster, I surmised that the toy had grown into one of them there chew toy trees. Why? Because I left the toy there and gave it time to grow. Investments take time, so don't expect your chew toys to grow into trees overnight. Give them time. Forget about them and go take your dog for a walk. If it's hot, just stand under a chew toy tree for shade. Woof! Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof!